Alright guys, this is our round 1 reverse snake draft. 2-box break on the NT Collegiate. Alright, we're doing box 65 first. That was what came up in the random there. You guys can see that. It's kind of hidden. It is 65 though. Alright, here we go. First 2 picks in this box are Dave A. First 2 in this one. All right. Here we go. Numbered 39 of 49. The Hick from French Lick. Mr. Larry Legend. The bird is the word. We've got a printing plate patch, and this is D'Angelo Russell, 1 of 1. Rookie patch autograph, numbered to 49, is Eric Paschal, Villanova Wildcats. All right, next up is Keldon Johnson. This is gold, number 3 of 10. I'm feeling good about this box, guys. I'm feeling good about this box. I'm seeing some names that we saw from yesterday. Seeing some names. All right, rookie signatures. Dylan Windler, number 299. Next up, rookie silhouette, number 299, Romeo Langford. Romeo Langford, 2-color. UMass Minutemen, number 2 of 5, Marcus Camby. The Camby Man. Remember how dominant he was in college? My goodness. It's an absolute beast. And, alright, this is the first time we said this name. Rookie silhouette, Ja Morant, number 2 of 99. Nice piece right there. Ja Morant, 2 of 99. And booklet is Brandon Clark, numbered 3 of 25. Gonzaga Bulldogs. And that will round out the first part of the 2-boxer. Dave A. Go ahead and draft away. Again, this is the box we're doing for the second one. It's still set aside. I'm just going to prop these up so you guys can draft when you are ready. I'm going to go with the Ja and the Langford. Got it. Ja and Langford off the board at 1 and 2. DPZ. Up next. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. Can you just sit them down on the ground? Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
It's getting crazy in here today.
Anything good?
No Zion yet.
No Zion.
Through like 6 right now.
Oh, nice. Oh, well, we'll see. All right, good luck.
Thanks, buddy. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go with the Pascal. Eric Pascal, rookie patch, goes next. Dave A., back to you. All right, going to go with the Keldon Johnson gold. Got it. Keldon Johnson off the board to Dave A. Done. NASA. Back to you. We've got the Dylan Windler rookie autograph, the Brandon Clark booklet, the Marcus Camby to 5, or the 1/1 D'Angelo Russell. Okay, I do have some, after we do the second box and draft, I've got 2 personal orders here for a couple boxes each of the Collegiate, and then I've got more that just came in behind me, so we will reload on that. Go with the Marcus Camby out of 5. Okay, Richard. Go with the 1/1 Russell. Got it. Okay. And I've got Greg, aka 4, up next here. So tomorrow, for those of you guys who just came into to the room, I plan on having a baseball repack product for tomorrow. That's going to be finalized at some point today. It's going to be a combination of mostly Hall of Fame hits and then wax, plus some bonus items, including memorabilia, some redemptions for other fun items. I think you guys are going to really like it. All right, he's going to go with the Book of Clark. Got it. So I plan on having that one for tomorrow, and then obviously if we get some cases of Immaculate in, I will grab that and have that ready as well. All right, and the last 2 pieces here are going to go to DPZ. Okay. All right, second box coming up here. Again, this is number 74. Thanks, Mark. Number 74. We're round number 2. And then the other boxes on the table have been purchased. And we will reload and keep doing more group breaks if you guys would like. It's probably going to be around 11 o'clock tomorrow. Well, it depends on how hammered I get tonight celebrating if we win. Depends on how hammered I'm going to be getting. Here we go. Number 2. It could get ugly. I could be up all night. Alright, here we go. He says, let's go with 2 Zions in the box. Let's make it happen. That'd be awesome. That would be pretty epic. Hey, Seth, beers for everybody. I promise you, if they win, it will be a drinking show tomorrow. I promise you that. It will be a drinking show. Celebratory fashion. Alright, 4 of 49. Donovan Mitchell. Base. Printing plate patch. This one is Marvin Bagley. Marvin Bagley. Alright, to 25. This is looking pretty similar. I would not be shocked if this is another Ja Morant coming up here. Alright, Eric Pascal to 25. Got that pattern again. To 99, Keldon Johnson. It's like almost identical. It's crazy. Number to 99. Number to 99, Dylan Windler. Rookie signatures. 5 of 5, Emerald rookie patch autograph. It is Romeo Langford. All right, then we got a 1 of 1 patch autograph. It is D'Angelo Russell. 4 colors. The Ohio State University. And there he is. Ja Morant. Rookie silhouette, 23 of 99. Nice patch on that. Where's Taco Fall at? I haven't seen any taco yet. No Taco Fall. And the booklet this time is Nasir Little. And this is to 56. UNC Tar Heels. That was the Ja Morant break right there. Alright, DPZ has number 1 pick. From 8 back to 1. Go ahead and draft away, guys.